Hello, my name is Yuri, and it is the third video in series of videos about building proper Kanban process. In this video, we will be focusing on explicit policies. By the way, if you would like to find a link to previous videos, please check the description to this video. Enjoy the watching!
Well, what else are the challenges? We very often keep hearing that people don't know what to take first, that they cannot remember what was actually our sprint or cadence goal. Well, this falls into the category of the Kanban method practice, in which we say that the policies of our work, rules of our work should be clear, should be explicit. What does it mean? Well, let's take a look at this. How to recall what is the current sprint goal if, for example, you haven't been present during the planning because of the holidays. It's super easy to click the sprint goal button and have easily customized message that we call agreement. Of course, this is just one example. You can use this feature to, let's just say, highlight any important message for the team. What goes next, or when the job is actually done? Exit criteria, or specifically definition of done, is something that is very useful, but it's more useful if it's kept together with the tool, with the board that the team is usually using every day. And what is available in this tool is that for every single column or a group of columns, you can actually specify things like pull policies, so the clear algorithm what to take first, or exit criteria, here exit criteria for the upstream activities, to make sure that we don't proceed with tasks which aren't ready, for which we don't have all the checkpoints done, which of course can later cause the task to be blocked.
Thank you very much for watching, and in the next video we will be speaking about aging limits and identification of stuck tasks. Stay tuned!